How to check reviews on Savana app. So the only way to check reviews on Savana app is by going and checking on the Trustpilot app. So basically, open the browser and then search in the website. Basically search Trustpilot Savana review and wait for it to load. Then you will see a link right here that shows the customer service reviews of Savannah app. So basically just click the first link. As you can see, it is a trustpilot.com. Now from here, you will see all the reviews and the summary of the reviews of the Savannah app. And as of for now, it has at least 43,000 of reviews with a 4.4 stars on the app. And this is the rating. As you can see here, they have a 5-star rating a lot and 4-star and some 1 star, 2 star, and 3 stars. As you can see all the reviews on the app right here, including this one, which is a 5 star. And here's another one, which is a 3 star, and now a 4 star. And you can also see the company details and the contact info, and the people also look at. And that's how you can check reviews on the Savannah app.